Yours.
Mine has been rolling. I'm grandmom.
I'm grandma.
Sometimes the opportunity is there, the weather's favorable, and you just gotta head out. Doesn't look like anybody else has been in here.
I don't know. I would have expected more than just one set of tracks.
Oh, big rose right there on my left.
Oh, you see him?
What?
A grouse over on the bush side.
She's just parading herself for you.
Yep. That she is.
Nobody's been through here.
Somebody or nobody?
Nobody's been through here. Just a quad. Okay, I don't remember this being in the trail. Did I miss a turnoff somewhere? Well, I don't want to push through that. If we're going to go through that, I want to cut it. Can we find a way around? Or do we want to turn around and go cut firewood?
Let's turn around and go cut firewood. Because I know they're itching to get out.
Okay. How's it going, monkeys? Like work? So what do you think?
I love it. It takes a bit getting used to, but ooh, I think we can have some real good fun with this.
And the birth of a monster.
Oh, Granda's done.
Odd.
It is odd, isn't it? It's odd like Lily Bean.
Meow.
Yes.
I'm not odd.
Okay.
William's odd and
No.
I'm even.
You're good.
Whoever came down here for a fire had a hell of a time getting back out, I tell you.
Yeah, it looks like they had a bit of a job, didn't it?
So we've camped here before, and I know there's a fire pit here, so I go to dig it out in the snow, and as I'm exposing the fire pit, I'm digging up what is the remnants of a burnt tent. Tent poles, fiberglass tent poles. People, we gotta think a little bit, don't we? So now buried in the snow, what else is in here? If we go make a fire over that, we're burning plastic, we're burning tents, poles, tarps, who knows? I guess we're using a different fire pit.
Well, look, I made my new cupcake.
So it's so hard to clean up making burgers in the cold weather. The fat is all cold, it's hard to wash off your hands. So I thought I would try something different. It's kind of like a smash burger, but different. So this weekend we have the grandkids with us, and it's next level when you got young kids in the winter for camping. But I tell you, they're so much fun. They're great to have. They're no trouble. We just got to figure out a way to keep them dry. Where am I going to sit? Where it is, oh.
we go.
What's that on the ground, you guys? Right there, what is that?
Tracks.
What kind of tracks?
Deer.
Deer tracks. Which way are they going?
This way?
They are.
Follow the footprints. No. Where'd it go? Where'd they go? Tracks end here. No! That way!
Is there snow in his tracks?
Yeah.
Is there lots of snow?
No.
A little bit, right?
Yeah.
So it snowed during the night. So that means he came through during the night. So the kids and I are following a deer trail in the bush. And the deer was just walking slowly and feeding. And then took off to a dead run. So I got a feeling when I got up in the middle of the night, something woke me up at 3. And of course I had to go pee at that point. And I must have spooked the deer. So it just goes to show there's so much wildlife that you just don't see. It's around you. They don't really carry you there until you, I guess, get up in the middle of the night and they don't expect it. You bushwhacking bug?
What?
Are you a bushwhacking bug?
Yup.
Best medicine for kids in the winter blaws. Just get outside.
Try to dig up mine. I'm trying to smash it. Look. Oh, I know what to do. Granddad.
So this weekend we had the grandkids with us and we're using both tents. And I split up a dual heating system off of our heater, off our diesel heater that we've been using into -20 temperature, and it worked just awesome. The long hoses, the Y, very inefficient, doesn't quite cut it. Good thing it was quite warm last night. Well, not too cold last night. I think all I saw was -7, and all we got inside the tent was +8. And it was cranked like it usually is when it's -20. So need to reinvent this part. This didn't work out. I'm just glad the kids didn't get cold, and they did. Hold on, hold on. Okay. Oh my goodness. There it goes.
I think I didn't put it in.
Just like that.
There we go. That's another 2 car. Sure. I'll help you, Granddad.
That's it, guys. It takes so little effort to leave a clean campsite. And of course, the trip home is always the worst part of the trip. We sure left in time, because this particular trip really turned nasty on the way home.